Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can easily downgrade your iOS apps on iOS 12.5.7 to their earlier versions on all devices. This method is completely free. It requires a jailbreak and the jailbreak guides are in the description. One of my subscribers recently asked me to make a video on it. So thanks for the suggestion and thanks for taking interest in the videos. I hope it will also help a lot of other people. For this demo, we have already installed this app right here, and if I go to settings and go to about, you can check out the version here. It is currently version 36.0, and for this video we will downgrade this app to an earlier version of our choice. Once you're jailbroken, you will get Cydia or Sileo depending on the jailbreak you use. This device is jailbroken with camera, so I have Sileo. Simply open it. You can check out the version again here. First things first, simply head to search, and first of all, if you are using a Sileo, you will have to install libhooker common. Simply install this package and it will also install all the other related packages. And if you are jailbroken over the Checkrain or Freya, you will have Cydia. For Cydia, you will have to install substitute instead of libhooker common by simply searching for it and installing it. Once installed, again search for preference loader and install it as well. Once these are installed, you're good to go. Now head to sources and add this source cokepokes.github.io. You can add a source by hitting this plus button above, simply typing it here and then hitting add source. And if you are using Cydia, you can simply hit edit, then hit add, type it here and then hit add. Now simply open this repo, go to all categories and search for app store plus plus. You can check it out. It is completely free. You can simply hit this button to install it, and if it asks, please do a respring once. Once installed, go to settings, scroll all the way down and you will find app store plus plus here. Open it and make sure there are no errors, which means it is installed correctly. Go back. Now, for example, we want to downgrade this app. We will open App Store and simply search for it. Now, on this button, please press and hold and you will see this menu. Simply choose upgrade, downgrade. Wait a few seconds. And you will see this menu with all the previous versions which are available to be downgraded. I will choose the earliest version of this app. Let's go with 13.0. Simply select it and it will start downloading and then installing. If you go home, you can also check out the progress right here for this app you wanted to downgrade. Alright, as you can see, it is now installed. Let's open it and check out the version. Settings, and you can see we are on version 13.0. So the app has been indeed downgraded. Likewise, you can do so with any other app you want to downgrade to its earlier version on iOS 12.5.7. Also, if you are interested to fix YouTube on iOS 12.5.7 or WhatsApp on iOS 12.5.7, I have the complete guides linked in the description for you. You can check them out. That's all for this video. If you have more suggestions, you can comment below. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.